Hello and welcome back to JBCTR, where today you join me at SCC Performance in St Albans, where we're going to be fitting a Milltek GPF-Back exhaust to my GR YARIS. Right, so this is what we're fitting today. Obviously, the prize piece in the middle is the back box with the embossed Milltek logo in it, which I think looks really quite cool. You then also get this sort of center piece, I guess, which is going to be replacing the rear silencer. And thankfully, Toyota have put a nice little flange for us to connect to, so we won't be cutting any exhausts or anything like that. You get these massive tips. There is a selection of these, which I'll show you in a second, but today I've opted for the polished because I think they look the best and super shiny. And yeah, if you've got an aftermarket exhaust, you don't want to hide them away. So yeah, I've gone for a shiny one. And then of course you get all the clamps and stuff you need to fit it. So here we are up in the shop where they fortunately have a display of Milltek tips, and all of these on display are available for the GR YARIS. So on the left here, you've got the polished tips, which are the ones I've gone for, as I said downstairs. My second choice was the black ceramic coated, although the ones you get on the YARIS are very slightly different to these, as the Milltek logo is etched in white, which I think looks quite nice. You've also got the burnt titanium look. I actually think that would suit the YARIS quite well, because it's obviously Japanese, and I don't know why, but I've always associated burnt titanium with Japanese cars. And on the end, you've also got the carbon tips, if that's your style. So let's get it on the car and see what it sounds like. So the car is now in the air, and it's my first chance at least to have a look underneath. Now the exhaust is kind of pretty standard, to be honest. If you look just up there, you can see the cat in the downpipe. Move along a bit more, you've got the GPF. The bit we're going to be replacing today is, as expected, we've got a rear silencer which is going to come off, and the stock back box, which is also going to come off. But in terms of the four-wheel drive system, we can just about see, well, the rear drive unit is actually quite pronounced. You've also got this long prop shaft that goes the length of the vehicle. So I presume that the middle clutch pack that Toyota talk about is actually integrated into the front part of the car, or maybe a little bit into the back. So I need to do a bit more reading into that. But even so, it's still interesting to have a look underneath. Right, let's get this exhaust on.
To disconnect the rear section of the exhaust, you'll need to undo these two 13mm bolts. You'll then have two hangers on the rear box to unhook, and a third by the centre flange.
So here we go, the two systems side by side, and I must admit the stock exhaust could not have been easier to remove. Literally 2 bolts, 3 hangers, and that's it, it's off. The one thing I would say about stock exhaust is actually it is like really quite light, so I think Toyota did quite a good job of designing it. Just unfortunately it doesn't make any noise, so that's out. This obviously is a Milltek that I showed you before, and kind of looks the same. Back box is a little bit smaller. Obviously there's no rear silencer, so hopefully it should make lots of noise, and that's kind of what we're after.
The easiest way to install the new exhaust is working from the front to the rear of the car. You'll need 14 and 17mm sockets to tighten the Milltek supplied fixings, and don't forget the gasket. At the rear, Milltek have supplied an additional hanger. Simply bolt this L bracket to the chassis, and the new hanger bolts straight onto it.
Beautiful.
So there we have it. That is how you fit a Milltek GPF-Back exhaust to a GR YARIS. So if you're thinking about ordering one of these in to fit at home, hopefully this has given you a bit of insight into how it's done, or if you fancy having one fitted by the pros, such as the guys here at SCC Performance, then now you know what goes into it and what it is that you're actually buying. And as always, a massive thank you to the guys here at SCC Performance in St Albans for their efficient and friendly service of getting this on the car. And with that, I think we'll leave it there. So if you found this one useful, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of me, the Yaris, Mini and other car content, then feel free to subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one.
There goes a sight from my soul.